Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, your number one crypto friend that help you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So I welcome you to this video. On this video guys, we are going to be talking about something really special. This is a mini app on Telegram which was launched about 5 days ago, and right here guys, I still find the need to actually make this video because this is the most confusing mini app on Telegram right now, and a lot of people don't know how to go around it. So the name of this mini app is actually called NotPixel. This NotPixel is actually backed up by Notcoin itself. You can see right here guys, I am on Notcoin official Telegram handle right here, and let me show you guys something right here. Over here you can see over here, this is where they actually introduce the NotPixel. You can see they fully back this up. And one other interesting thing right here is that we are also going to be talking about the possible listing date of this Telegram mini app. So right here, pay close attention. Let me first of all teach you how you can actually be able to mine this Telegram mini app called NotPixel, and also how you can be able to get the most out of it. So if you have heard about this for the first time, you are welcome. On this video we are going to be talking about it properly, and also if you have already heard about this and you don't know how to play it, you are also at the right place. So right guys, when you click on it right here, you can see this is how the interface looks like. Once you click on the link on the video description, I'll be dropping the links to this airdrop on the video description. Click on the link and this is going to be taking you to this airdrop bot on Telegram. So over here guys, once you open it, this is the first thing that you're going to be seeing right here right now. So without wasting time, let's now go straight into the business of the day. So how do you actually play this game? That's the number one question. So if you look down, you can see they say something like zoom, tap and paint. So this actually requires you to just keep painting. All right, so what you need to do right now is so simple. So you have to do is simply tap it twice. Once you tap it twice, it will be zoomed automatically, and you can see right here I now have this to zoom. You can choose any other one that you like, just tap twice, it will zoom. And when you look down here, you can see over here that I have something like 5 energy right here. That is my max power. And over here guys, I have so many other cool things right here, and over here this is the color that I actually want to paint. So right now, how do you actually play this game? Once you have tapped in twice and you want to zoom and you want to paint, just click on paint. You can see the paint, it will be painted immediately. And when you click over here right now, you are going to be seeing a list of options that you can actually paint. So if you look, you can see that this image actually changes immediately, because this is because a lot of people are actually painting. So let me do it again right now. You tap twice like this, just tap twice, it will zoom. You select the color that you want to paint, example this, then you click on paint. You can see right here guys, once you paint, you are going to be getting certain points. You can see when you look over here right now, when I click on paint, you can see right now that my balance will increase. Again, my balance will increase. You can see right now that I have used my maximum energy. So this energy is going to be taking a little time to fill up, about 10 minutes. So this means that after a certain period of time, you come back and you repaint again. That is not all. Let me now show you how you can actually earn the most out of this airdrop right now. So over here guys, when you click over here right now, let me go back. So when you click over here right now, you can see what we have right here. When you click on your balance, this is where the main thing actually happens. So over here guys, you can see that I have to wait for 1 minute before I cannot actually claim again. So over here guys, let me show you guys something. So over here, this is where you actually get your invite link to actually refer people into this project. When you click on it like this, let me show you guys some things. I have been able to refer a couple of friends into this project, and right here guys, you can see that you actually get 8 pixel point for just referring a normal Telegram user. But when you refer a Telegram user with a premium account, you get 64 pixel for you and your referral. All right, so over here guys, you can see we have mining drop right here. This means that you actually earn 16% of all your friends mining. Anything that your friends mine, you get 16% of it. Over here guys, you can see we have the league bonus, 100% for you and your friend. This actually means that when you get to the league level, you actually get 100% for you and also your friend. That is when your friend gets to the league level. Also, we have the rank leader. This is a mega drop, and this actually happens when your referral invites 1,000 people collectively. That's when you actually get this mega drop. And when you click over your copy referral link, you actually copy your referral link for you to share. But that is not all. Let's now go back like this. When you scroll down, you can see we have some quick start right here. This actually requires you to just paint. Once you are able to paint up to 20 times, you are going to be claiming 64 pixel points. And when you refer up to 3 people, you are going to be claiming 64 pixel points. And when you join a squad, you are going to be claiming 64 pixel points. These are the simple things that you can actually do to earn maximum from this Telegram bot. So when I scroll down again, you can see we have the special section over here, guys. When you boost the NotPixel channel, you actually get 64 pixel points and a whole lot of other things. But if you are a premium user like myself, you are going to be getting 512 NotPixel. So when I click on it like this, let me see if I can be able to do this. You can see right now that I just got it right now. That is because I actually have a Telegram premium account. So over here, guys, we have the Silver League bonus. This is when you get to the Silver League bonus, you actually get to claim this right here. Over here we have the spend star. How this spend star actually means it works is that if you look over here, we have the star section. Once you click on the star over here, this is where you actually get to make some purchases using the Telegram stars. If you don't know how to get a Telegram star, I have already made a video explaining how you can actually be able to get it. Check out my other video. You are going to be seeing a video that actually explains it. So once you're able to make any purchase right here, then you can actually go back to actually make the purchase of this to actually claim this 512 star as well. So over here, guys, this is where you actually get to do some certain simple tasks like joining the Note channel, following them on X, joining the community, following the Notcoin community on X, and all these are so simple, right? So this is how simply you actually get to interact with this bot in order for you to earn. Remember, please, I beg you again, do not joke with this project, because this project is actually going to be cooking, because they came from a very nice source and they are 100% backed by Notcoin. So when you click over here, guys, on this plus button, this plus button actually allows you to zoom in, and this minus obviously allow you to zoom back. When you click over here, guys, this is where you actually get to buy energy for stars. I'm talking about this thing right here. Once you click on it, you can actually buy energy for using your Telegram stars. Okay, so what right now, the next thing is this tint. This tint actually allows you to paint with multiple color, and I don't really understand this 100%. Let me be factual right here. I never really understand these things really well. So when you click over here, this one, I do not really understand this as well, but I think is you can actually color 3 spots at a time. Okay, you can color 3 spots at a time, and over here, guys, on these things you can color 5 spots at a time. Okay, so right now let's now go back. When you click over here, guys, on this plus button, this is where you see your invite stuff right there, and we click over here, guys, on this cup icon. This is where you actually get to join any squad of your choice, and also from joining the squad you can actually earn. And over here, guys, we have 4 categories of levels right here, which is the bronze level, the silver level, the gold level, and the platinum. Okay, so over here, guys, on the bronze level, this is the people that have from 0. This is the people that have about 1000 pixel points. And over here, guys, on the silver level, this is from 1000 points till I think 20,000. Okay, and over here, guys, on the gold level, you can see these are the people that actually have from 20,000 NotPixel to about 76,000. And over here, guys, on the platinum, this is the people that have from 102,000 NotPixel points to about 142 NotPixel points. All right, so this is very, very simple, and I believe you have actually learned how you can actually go around this. So when you click over here, guys, on painter, this is actually where you see your basic points, and that is okay. This is it right now. Over here, this shows the squad and their balances, and this shows painters and their respective amount of NotPixel that they actually have. Okay, so let's now go back to the main section. Let's see if we can do more things right here concerning the listing date for NotPixel. Let me now show you guys what made me believe the listing date. So when I go back right now on the Notcoin community and scroll down, let me show you guys something right here. Okay, so over here, guys, you can see this post right here was actually made a few days ago. You can see that they made this post right here, and this made me believe that they are actually going to be listing on November. So this doesn't mean anything. You can see they added this, which means that they are talking about NotPixel, and at the end of the it they added November. This made me believe that they are going to be listing on November on several top tier exchanges. So if you are failing this airdrop, then I don't know what your problem is, because I believe since this airdrop actually came from a very good source, they are actually going to be making us a whole lot of money. So thank you guys for watching, and I believe you got a value out of this video. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It actually means the whole world to us. Look below the video you are watching right now, and do well to click over here, guys, on this subscription button right here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. After that, you go ahead and give us and click on this bell icon and select all, so that each time we post any new video, YouTube will send you notification immediately. After that, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and finally you put your comments right here telling us what you think about this project called NotPixel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. More updates are coming concerning this project, and they are gonna be shared right here on our Telegram account. Do well to join us on Telegram, and also make sure to stay tuned, because more updates that are gonna be making you money are going to be dropped through this channel. Thank you, and I will see you very soon.